Hey guys, Coach Rich Thurman here in San Francisco, California, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about Steel Mace 360 and 10-2 swings. Now, there's a lot of rotation obviously involved in this. I think the ability to express that rotation fully and completely is important. I think that preparing the body appropriately and having prerequisite ability is also important to making your mace swing nice and smooth. Once you have that level of control and sequencing down, I think it leaves you room to explore. I feel like the steel mace in and of itself has a lot of room for growth, and I think we're just scratching the surface on the potential uses of this tool. So as you can see here, I'm kind of using a pivot motion and just following through, taking that whole rotation all the way down to the floor. And like I said, I think that sure, a traditionalist is going to say that, this swing is incorrect or whatnot, but, I firmly believe that, the use of tools can vary. And here you see, I'm using a heavier load. Once you've mastered the ability to control the lighter loads, you can start exploring heavier loads. One of the things that we talk about with swinging is preparing the tissues for these loads and this ballistic force and power, especially your tendons. When you look at the tricep, your triceps may be strong, but they may not be ready for that load that they're going to take on the back swing. So I think it's important that you slowly build up strength and create that mobility, not through actually swinging the mace, but create that mobility separately so that you can have better control and better swings when you add technique. So you're kind of creating and adding more bandwidth to play with. Alright, I hope that helps you out in your mace swinging endeavors. Find me anywhere on social media at #MovingThePeople. Follow me on Instagram at Coach_RT3.